Are you ready to discover a better supply chain in Asia?
With 15 years of experience, a broad range of manufacturing capacity,
and professional international staff,
we're ready to be your factory in Asia.
XQ Services bring together broad manufacturing capacity at our own facility and our partners. We offer clear communication for understanding your product needs. We pride ourselves on being a trusted partner and protecting your intellectual property and ensuring quality product. We offer global international logistics, as well as pain-free importing and warehouse services in select countries. From prototyping, product development, sourcing, and full-service manufacturing, we work with our client projects at all stages.
Get to know your new factory partner in Asia.
XQ Manufacturing.
Contact us today for your design, manufacturing, or sourcing projects.